Hi there, I'm Dimut. I'm with another video. This video is about screen replacement of Samsung Galaxy A10. You can see we have a Samsung Galaxy A10 phone. The screen is completely smashed and the phone is actually a little bit bent, and we will learn how I will show you how I'm going to replace the screen of this one. Okay. All good. So before making the video, I did some work in order to make the video very short, because all my videos are very long, because I took them while I was actually doing the job, so you can see the whole process I'm doing. So here I have taken the screen out and I have taken other parts out, but I put them back together for you to demonstrate how to replace it. Okay, but if you are a person who is watching my video, I suggest you to fast forward unnecessary parts, because it takes some time for repair. The actual repair process is happening here. Okay, we'll start. Right, this screen is completely smashed. So what we do first of all, the first thing, you need to take out the SIM tray. Press here and take the SIM tray out like this. Okay, keep it aside. And the second thing, you can put something like this here in between these two, and then pry out and take this back cover out. It will come out like this. Even from your nails, by your nails, you can take it out. And after that, I have taken the things out already. After that, take this one out, you keep it somewhere, and then you can see all these have screws. Here have 3 screws, and there are 4 screws, and there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 screws. Take all of them out and take this one out. This is the speaker part, and this is a small cover to this area. Take it out and take this one out. And the first thing, remember not to damage this cable. If you damage this cable, you don't have any way to volume up and down and power on the phone. So be careful in this area, because this is very fragile. So you take the battery out first of all, like this. Take the battery out, and this is the display cable. This is the main connector. This is the daughter board. This is the charger port board. This is the daughter board. This is the main board. It's connect from here. You don't need to dismantle this one. Take this one out. You don't need to take the battery out, nothing. What you do after, put the heat gun and heat all around 80 Celsius maximum. Heat it for a while. After that, put something like this in between this, and then go all around. It will not be easy like this. Go all around and take the screen out. This screen cable go underneath like this. Take it out like this. Now this is no use, complete rubbish. Just chuck it in the rubbish, and then give a good cleaning. Give a good cleaning around. And before installation, there is a small husk here. Make sure you don't take it out. If you took this out, there will be a hole here, and that is a place that the earpiece work. You get, when you're calling someone, you get the other person's sound from here. It's already coming out. So what I do, I'll keep it in place again. Yeah, keep it in place like this. These small things are very important. Now make sure it doesn't fall down. So I keep my finger and take this one out. So this side, make sure that this one is dismantled. What we do now, we go ahead and test our screen. This is the screen. This comes like this. Sometimes the screen has a small adhesive here. This is a full original screen. What you do, you drag like this maximum and then stick it. because if this one is loose, the touch will not work. Make sure this one, this area and this area has a cello tape like this. If it doesn't come with a cello tape, take a little bit cello tape and cover these two areas. Okay, and then the display cable like this. And now what I'm going to do, make sure you put the correct side up. If you plug this side like this, it will damage the phone or the screen. Okay, remember to use the correct side, correct interface, positioning up. So you install this one and you install the battery, and this is the power cable. You press this one here. If there's battery life, it should light up. Yes, see, the screen works. You can see screen is turning on, and we will see whether the touch is working. Make sure you test the screen before you install, because after install these screens are glue hold. You can't take it out. When you try to take it out, it is damaging. Also, when your supplier see the glue, they will not give you a return screen. So make sure you test it before install. I don't know whether the battery has enough battery life. We will see. Otherwise, you will have to plug in to the power and wait until it turns on. Come on, boy, don't take so much of time. Yes, working. Yeah, touch working. You can go to emergency call because the customer has not given the password, and try all these things. Yes, at the moment screen works fine. If you want, you can press this button and turn it off, but what I do, I take the battery out like this using my nail or plastic spudger. Remember to use a plastic spudger. I use my nails, that's why I have long nails. Okay, now we're going to install the screen. Make sure that part is there. Yes, it's there. Now need to make sure that there's no debris around. Now what we do, I'm going to apply the glue. I'm going to apply the glue not on the frame but here on the screen. Carefully. It takes only very little glue, but in this scenario most probably the screen can come out because the phone is a little bit bent. So I have already showed it to my supplier and advised them that the screen can come out, and if it comes out in any case, ask them to bring it back to me without pressing from the top, so that I can re-glue it back. Okay, all done. Now you can see there are some excessive of glue, some excess glue. What I do, I remove them like this. Remove them, or you can take them out like that. Okay, all done. Now I'm going to install the screen. Put the cable like this, go inside, drag it up, drag it up, drag it up, and then put this in place exactly, and put this in place. When you put the glue alongside the screen, I have seen it nicely fits. And now I'm going to quickly connect the cable, the battery, very fast because the glue is drying up, so you need to quickly do this one. Put the screws, make sure it's properly connected. and then we keep this part, and also there's another part here. Align them properly and then quickly right. Yo, did you have to do finish the last one? Sometimes after installation I have experiences that the screen doesn't work because my installation maybe sometimes something touch internally the screen, these corners, it can damage. So in that case there's nothing we can do, we have to bear the loss. So carefully put back everything together and then see how it goes. Oh my god, the screen is not broken. You can see when you put the glue not in the frame but on the screen, it's seamlessly very nice. Like nobody can see that you have installed a screen. It's gonna be perfect looking, perfectly fit. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I put some rubber bands like this, also another rubber band here. See, it's perfectly working. Good. But sometimes there are situations that the glue can go in between the LCD and the touch screen. So in that scenario, actually that's a problem of the supplier because they didn't attach them properly. That's why the glue goes inside. So you put something like this and take away all the excessive glue. Out of it and make it looking nice. You can see it's seamless. Nobody can say that the screen has been replaced. So this is a good way if you're replacing A10 Nova 3i. So try to put the glue not in the frame but in the screen. Okay, I put some more because it's nicely fitting now, it will not break. And we put some of them here too. Another thing I have to do like this because this has a slight bend, so it can come out. All working fine. So we restart. It's asking for the phone number. All done. We have done the repair. It's all good to go. I think because of this holding while I was installing, this is the voiceover is up. In the scenario, we need to go into the system. There is a way that we can remove the voiceover and then it will go away. So if it happens like that, I will put another video how to remove that one. So that's all done. All good. The phone is beautiful. It's look like a brand new one now. We should not forget to install the SIM tray. This customer has a SIM. Make sure you put them properly. That's very important. It's very important. Shows emergency calls only. I don't have the password, so I can't restart. Remember, you always get the password from your supplier. Okay, it's all good now. Our video is finished. Thank you for watching my video. You have a nice day. You guys have a nice day. Thank you.